we're getting TMI, but I never used a tampon before. The next thing that I say girls should have with them is hand sanitizer. It's nasty out in this world, okay? Gum and mint. Self-explanatory. Do you want to be walking around here with bad breath? Hey Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers. Welcome. I'm Drip Princess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
Standing right there, what it gotta be?
So, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing 10 things that girls need to carry on them and just things that girls should have with them on a daily basis. Before we get into this video, please make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe and have your post notifications on. I just want to do a huge shout out to y'all. Thank y'all so much for getting me to 1K. Thank y'all so much for supporting me. I love y'all so much. Hashtag Dripcess friends. And obviously I have like a vlog coming out, you know, a vlog. I had a shoot, everything like that, you know what I'm trying to say. It's just the beginning, and yeah, thank y'all so much. But we're on the road to 2K, and yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much. But without further ado, let's just get into this video now. So the first thing that every girl needs is lip gloss. Like, lip gloss is just an essential. Like, you just need that on a daily basis. Me, lip gloss, lip balm, chapstick, something for the lips, okay? But I love me a good old lip gloss, okay? My personal favorites is the NK lip gloss, and I'm not really a fan. I mean, I used the Broadway lip glosses, but those are like literally like my personal faves. The NK, specifically the coconut one. I want to say like a couple of years ago I did like a whole lip gloss collection video, and when I tell y'all that y'all love that, y'all literally loved that video, because I am such a heavy lip gloss girl, okay? And yeah, so lip gloss for sure is something that you need to carry on you as a girl. The next thing is a wallet, a cute wallet to hold your card, your license, your ID, your money, all of that. A nice cute old wallet for your purse too. I'm a purse girly. I be so surprised low-key when I hear that other girls are not purse girlies, you know. They don't really wear purses, or you know, cause y'all know I be having a purse with every outfit. Like y'all see how my room is, like low-key. Like y'all be seeing my purses, like my little purse collection and that stuff. Well, y'all don't know my purse collection, but like y'all be seeing my purses in like my vlogs and stuff. And I just be so surprised that some girls just be like, oh no, they're not really like purse girls, you know. I don't know, I just be so surprised. But yeah, so a cute wallet to hold your license, your ID, and your money, your card, all that. A cute little wallet. The next thing that a girl should carry on them, obviously, you know, a little pepper spray or taser, you know, because it's crazy in this world that we're living in, okay? And yeah, we just gonna leave it like that. It's crazy in this world that we're living in. The next thing is a mini perfume. My favorite perfume is Valentino, or actually it's Burberry Her, or actually it's Billie Eilish. I don't know, y'all. I don't really think I have a really favorite perfume. Honestly, I think it just depends on the day. But if you want to smell like a grown woman, like, you know, like that grown woman boss vibes, I say go for Valentino, okay? But yeah, it really just depends depends on the day for me. Maybe one day I want to smell like a grown woman boss vibes, like, you know what I'm trying to say. Then maybe the next day I want to smell a little soft, so I put on my Billie Eilish. And then maybe the next day, I don't know, let me just use my Burberry, okay? But a mini perfume is always good. Or if you don't want to carry a little mini perfume, a mini body spray, you know, from Bath and Body Works and stuff, will be good too. Just something, you know, just something. You know what I'm trying to say? Yeah. This also goes with the mini perfume, a mini lotion, or just like some lotion. Carry that on you because you don't want to be walking around here with ashy hands and maybe ashy elbows, and you have to be going around asking somebody for some lotion. You know what I'm trying to say? So lotion, carry lotion on you. A mini lotion doesn't have to be a big one, but just make sure you carry some lotion on you. The next thing, carry on you some pads, okay? Like, you may know when your cycle may come on, or maybe you may just get a surprise. You know what I'm trying to say? So always carry some pads on you at all times. Or if you're not a pad girly, carry some tampons on you. I'm definitely a pad girly. I never used a tampon before. Okay, I know we're getting TMI, but I never used a tampon before, and I don't think I want to. I don't want to, because I'm just gonna stick to what I know. Okay, but yes, pads, carry that on you at all times. So if you just have from your cycle, hey, it's that time of the month, then you're ready. You have the pads on you. And then to go also with pads, carry like a leave, Tylenol, you know, any of that too, because you know sometimes your cramps just gonna be cramping. You probably at school. The worst thing that I know for me, for when I started my cycle when I was in high school, was the worst thing for me was starting my cycle starting my cycle in school or while I'm at work. Like, that'd be the worst, because it's like, oh my gosh, like I ain't really have enough time to prep for, you know what I'm trying to say, get my heating pad, you know, do all of that, like take the leave or like Tylenol, do all of that. So that's why I say bring Tylenol with you, bring your pads with you, so you can be prepared at all times. The next thing that I say girls should have with them at all times is a brush or a rat tail comb, or a comb. If you have a 30-inch bust down and you need to comb your hair, brush your hair, fix it up, you have that on you, know what I'm trying to say? So that's like a major thing, you know, so make sure you have that on you. The next thing is hand sanitizer. It's nasty out in this world, okay? We be touching things, be going shopping, touching the clothes and stuff. Hand sanitizer, germs, okay? Germs, people get sick, and especially it's starting to get cold again, so people be over here coughing and stuff, not covering their mouth, probably, you know, I don't know, snot running down their nose, wiping it with their hand and stuff, touching clothes and stuff. It's hand sanitizer, okay? If you're not close to a sink to wash your hands, hand sanitizer. So make sure you carry some hand sanitizer on you too. You can go to Bath and Body Works for that, or you can go to Walmart and get a little, you know, hand sanitizer. But you want a cute, like, smelly goody hand sanitizer and a cute hand sanitizer case. Oh my gosh, y'all, I used to be obsessed with hand sanitizer cases, and I used to go to Bath and Body Works for that. Go to Bath and Body Works. The next thing that I say carry on you is a mini deodorant, because you don't want to be walking around here musty. That's what you don't want. You don't want to be walking around here musty and stuff, you know. So just carry that on you, okay, boo? Carry a mini deodorant on you, even though it's getting cold outside. You know what I'm trying to say? You can still be out here smelling musty. So make sure you carry some deodorant with you, as you should. Carry a little mini deodorant. I'm not saying a big bar, but carry some deodorant. Or the next thing that I say you should carry on you, or is just an essential for my girlies, is a spoolie. When you just got your lashes done, spoolie those lashes if they itching, or a spoolie. Carry a spoolie on you at all times, I'm telling you, okay, when you just got your lashes done. And the last thing that I will say you should carry on you at all time is gum and mint. Self-explanatory. Do you want to be walking around here with bad breath? I know you don't. So make sure you carry some gum on you. Make sure you carry some mints on you, so you don't be walking around here with sticky breath. Okay. But yeah, seriously, carry gum on you. Or just some mints, or just something, you know, something that's gonna make the breath smell good. You know what I'm trying to say? Especially if you be in people's face all day, or if you be drinking coffee and you know that coffee stink or whatever. Put something in your mouth. Put some mints, okay? I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if y'all did, please make sure you leave a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, have your post notifications on, follow me on my social media so we can be a little more connected, and I see you in the next YouTube video. Yeah.